What's good, YouTube? This is my 98 F150 that I eventually made a Ford Lightning clone. It's the same truck when I made a video a couple months back, and I added the ground effects and the Ford Lightning bumper and the Lightning emblems as well on both sides. The fog lights, Ford Lightning bumper that I color matched, but I gotta touch it up again. The 20 Lightning rims, Lightning emblem on this side. Color match ground effects by myself. They're not OEM. I got them off a marketplace. I've been getting a couple comments on where I got the parts from. I'm gonna talk about that in this video. When I got the truck, it was on a roll pan, and I put the OG bumper on. I got that from the junkyard for like 50. The taillights came with the truck. The one piece rear window came with the truck. The ground effects I got with the front bumper, it was a fiberglass kit. I'm not sure from where, but there's a familiar kit from Street Concepts on Instagram. I ordered a front bumper from Street Concepts a couple years ago for my 99 project, and it was almost the same type of material. It was fiberglass, and you had to drill out for the fog lights eventually, and also for the lower grille. So that kit, the front bumper and the ground effects, all 8 pieces, I got off a marketplace for 800. Street Concepts kit, I think it's like 1200, and it comes like a fiberglass primer type of material similar to this kit. The Lightning emblems along with the SVT logo and the tailgate, I got all 3 of those pieces for 100 on lmr.com. The wheels came with the truck already, but the wheels are on lmr.com as well for about 1200, 1300 with no tires. They're the 20-inch reps from 2001, 2002. All the color matching I did, which is the front bumper, the front grille shroud, the grille delete that's still not finished, this header panel cover, the door handles, here's a look at the engine. It's a 4.2 V6. When I bought the truck, it had these GT caps on. They look pretty clean. They were chrome, so I decided to color match them. That's the only little touch up I did under the hood. The 4.2 V6 is definitely a reliable engine. I've put over 14,000 miles on this truck already. I've done 2 to 3 oil changes, I forget, because I be doing them on my Chevy too, so I be losing count. I'll drop a clip on how the front end used to look so you can see what I've managed to change. I've added the 99 and up grille shroud, which gives you that groove right here at the bottom. The older ones are just straight across. Some people like them, but I like the newer style. The headlights, I got them from the junkyard for about $20. They're online for like 80 to 90. You can get them on eBay. The fog lights I had laying around in my basement from all my previous builds, I got those on eBay for like 20. The front windshield tint is a normal roll. I think it cost me like $16. I did it myself. The sides were already tinted. The back was tinted already too. The interior hasn't been touched. It still has the black suede lightning seats. The NRG steering wheel. I do want to paint these with like a fabric spray in black so it can match with the seats and the headliner. I did go lower in the back 2 more inches with drop shackles, so the truck evens out pretty good. This truck is my daily. Even though it's a V6, it's reliable. It gave me 0 problems throughout the winter. The engine and transmission are real healthy. Look how many miles this truck has. So since I want to swap this truck, I'm gonna be real patient about it and get the right information from the right people and see how it goes. The 275/40s up front and the 275/45s in the back definitely look clean on this truck. I had 0 plans of making this truck a 4 Lightning clone when I first bought it because I needed a daily to get to work, but I eventually ended up doing it, and here's the outcome. I did a 4 Lightning clone a while back with my 99, but I wasn't really into filming like that, so I didn't get so many clips. But if you do go down my channel, you'll see them. Let me know what you guys think. There's still more that I want to do to the truck. Y'all stay tuned for the summer. I got a couple plans, a couple more ideas. You rarely see F150s in this color, yo. That's what's beautiful about this truck. And I'm glad I got it to how it looks right now. I can't wait till I get to swap this whole. Shit, man. When you got plans, thoughts, ideas, you gotta bring that shit to reality. You don't just think about it and think about it. That's a dream. You gotta make that shit happen. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know what you think about the build. This is one of my favorite builds so far. If you're new, subscribe. I got more plans for the summer. Y'all stay tuned.